doing frequency medicine for a long time, and to see it now get into people's hands where they can start to understand that we're frequency beings, and voltage is healing. So when we think of, oh, well, some kind of mineral deficiency that somebody has, and we're going to try and fix their problems. And I do restorative medicine, which means I try to restore people's health once they're chronically ill or terminally ill, even for that matter. And their charge is low. I've got to get all those minerals in there. We have to start thinking about healing as physics and not chemistry only. So what's going on is the person has a low charge. We have to charge them up. So I've known that for a long time. To be able to see this come out today is an awakening by itself, to know that these things are happening. When I bought it, like you, I don't know anything about this company, but I know a lot about frequency medicine. And this was so affordable. Every machine I owned cost me $2,500 to heat somebody up with electrical muscle stim or shortwave diathermy. And they help. I know about frequency medicine. I use it. It's cumbersome trying to get people hooked up to electrodes and fire up at the right frequency, starting with in the days of Rife, when he was looking at chronic illness and frequencies that could stimulate organs back to health. And seeing that something like this is being claimed, I bought it. I said, let's fire this up. Let's see what's going on. I had a headache that day. So I turned it on and, my headache went away, but maybe that's placebo. I wasn't expecting it to go away. I'll tell you that, but it did. And I was a little taken aback by that because it was only about 2-3 minutes. I was just waving around on my head. In general, I was at home. My husband was there. He said, your headache is gone. And I said, yeah, I can feel like something was there, but it's not there now. He says, that's huge. I said, well, let's just see. I expect a lot more from this than that. And because of an old sciatic injury, I treated my leg. It wasn't flared up at the moment, but I have partial paresis, which results in a limp. So I put that on for about 5 minutes. It's loud. My husband wanted to watch television. I turned it off. I got up and I don't have a limp. So, I kept walking around and I didn't have a limp. Well, what's going to happen if I walk a little faster when it gets more pronounced? Okay, the limp came, but it was maybe 60, 70%, 75% better. And I didn't even do it for that long. So I was like, I'm not ready to accept this. This is just huge.
Correct.
This is just huge. So I thought, this is not a scam. So I start digging into terahertz frequency, and I start finding out that it's kind of a sweet spot between wavelengths, that it can actually get deep enough into your tissue and bone marrow and stimulate those stem cells. But what I found, that there was something moving around inside of me, like aligning itself and moving, opening up ligaments that had been restricted. And the next couple of days, I'm walking around using muscles I haven't used in years. I've had this limp for 15 years. Now I'm sore using muscles I hadn't used. Now I'm convinced this isn't a temporary, oh, it made me feel better for 5 minutes. This is permanent. I was stunned, to say the least. But even though I know about frequency medicine and I know the technology that works behind it, it really has the potential to heal. So, and that's what the research shows. I'm not speaking out of turn here. This is what the science says. There's a Nobel Prize winner, this Dr. Niels, who won the Nobel Prize for treating tuberculosis with artificial light. It wasn't terahertz. This is better. So I take the machine to the office. I'm going to try it out on more people. And I have my opportunity. In comes a real bad injury. This poor fireman had an entire wall fall down on him. He's got to have a hip replacement. He can barely walk. He's just had fresh orthoscopic surgery on his knee, and he's got a torn Achilles, and he's here for a fit for duty exam. You can't go to work? He said, I know. What did I do? I said, well, I'll tell you what. Let's get you on disability and get you some healing, and let's start today. He said, I already started physical therapy. And I said, yeah, but I got a Rolls Royce in my garage. I'm going to try out on you. He said, okay. So I pulled it out. He's like, whoa, what is that? So you see this light? That's what's treating you. This is a frequency that is very high intensity, but it's not like laser. It's not going to burn you. It's very, very safe. And I'd like to try it out on your new surgery. And I don't tell him what had happened to me. So he's like, sure, let's try it. So I put it on him, and I did it for 10 minutes. Now, because his surgery was fresh, I had to put it on the low heat setting because the skin was already hot. So now this is the first time I'm using it on a low heat setting. And I do it for 10 minutes, which is the longest treatment time that I just got the machine. And then I said, well, let's see what it did. Let's see you walk. Walking was very painful for him, but he was game. So he gets up and he's walking. And I said, wow, that looks like it's about 25% better in 10 minutes. He said, oh, at least.
Wow.
It's better than that. And
Wow.
he's as stunned as I am. So this is, what do I have my hands on here? This is really, really everything that I know frequency medicine to be. And it's in our hands. And I'm so excited and so grateful. I want to cry. I'm moved deeply by the fact that people don't have to pay me $100 to come in to use my machine that halfway works for 20 minutes. And then the minute you get home and feed the dogs, you're in pain again. And you got to come back again. Keeps me in business. But I'd be happy to have this machine put me out of business. I'd be happy to. So I treat people that are expected to have permanent disabilities. They're involved in lawsuits. It's called MedLegal. I do expert testimony. And I work on behalf of the patients. So I see people who are pretty badly injured. And I see fresh accidents as well as chronic ones. This day I had a fresh accident come in. and he'd had the car accident just the day before. So the muscles are guarded now, can barely turn his neck. And he's crying on my shoulder. I've got to get to work. You've got to help me get to work. And I work for the state. So there's, so much that I can do to, and my license is about keeping the road safe. And he can't turn his neck. So I said, well, let's see what we can do. He says, yeah, but I've got to go out of town tomorrow. You're giving me one day? Okay.
Wow.
Expect a miracle, get a miracle. Let's see what we can do. I got this machine. It's been doing some good things. Let's see what's going to happen with you. So I put him on the table. I examine him. And he's tender. I can adjust, but it's going to hurt him if I do. And I said, you know what? I've got this machine. I'm gonna try it out. And you're doing some good things. So I did that to him, and he says, something's happening. And I said, what's happening? He said, something's moving around in there. I said, that's the same thing that happened when I did it. Something's moving around. I said, go ahead and move it, stretch it, see what you can do to move it. And he's pulling his neck out while I'm treating it, doing like that. And I'm like, pull it out. Don't hold back. Do it. And he's lining himself up. He's just like self-aligning, and his muscles are releasing on the spot.
Wow.
And the reason I know that is because I said, you know what? After this treatment, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can adjust this. Let me put my hands on it. I put it on. It's moving. I just barely put low intention thrust, and everything lines up. And he's like, oh my God, you're an angel. You're an angel. He couldn't stop